For those of you who do not know what a Longhorn Steakhouse restaurant looks like on the outside, this is one in a place called, I think it's Wesley Chapel. Someone told us it was called Lutz. Not exactly sure. It's just after 11 a.m. They should be open. See the big steer horns. Julie Smith, manager. All right, we got a female manager. Cool, look at those. Those are nice. Walking in. Look at that, license plates. That's an American flag. If you drink, nice lounge area, dining room. No one here yet? That's fine. We all have the same picture. Comment below. Have you ever been here besides us? Have a good one, guys.